Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on dark mode on Google Maps on an Android device. Well, dark mode can enhance visibility of the map and navigation elements, making it easier to read and interpret information, particularly in bright environments where glare may be an issue. And also, the contrast provided by dark mode can improve readability and overall user experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To customize the theme settings on your Google Map, begin by accessing the Google Maps app on your device. Okay, once you are in the app, locate and click on the profile icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Okay, this action will open up a menu where you can find the settings option. So, select the settings option to proceed further. And within the settings menu, enter to the theme customization section. Here, you will encounter various theme options to choose from. Among these options, look for the Always in Dark theme setting. Okay, once you look at these settings, activate it to ensure that the app interface is always displayed in a dark theme. After enabling the Always in Dark theme settings, remember to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. This will apply the dark theme settings to the app interface. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on dark mode on Google Maps on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.